So I've had a look at the weather forecast tonight, and it's going to get below that measure I use of 6 degrees Celsius. Once it's below that, a lot of damage can occur to plants. The sort of damage we can expect is browning and blackening of leaves and leaf tips, the spoiling of blooms and the failing of flower buds, and the general deterioration of a plant as a whole. It could even kill a plant. So we need to protect these tender plants, and we can do this with a variety of different fleece solutions. There's the fleece bags, the fleece tunnels. You can use fleece sheet over a bed weighed down. You can use it in a variety of ways to protect more exotic species. You can even create frames and create like a fleece box. Here I'm going to show you a very simple way to use a piece of fleece. As you can see, I've used a long piece of fleece here to protect a number of pots. But if I wanted to protect just one pot, I could throw it over and just tuck it underneath. But better would be to create a mini frame just using a few sticks and then throwing the fleece over the top, tucking it underneath and then pegging it to the pot itself. If you don't have access to fleece, or you'd like to know more about what and when to fleece, I've shot a longer video which has appeared on the screen here. Just click on the link.